Did you know that in the X1 network, blocks aren't sent out as one big chunk but are broken down into smaller pieces called shreds?
Yes, those shreds are the lowest level data packets that validators use to transmit and reconstruct blocks efficiently across the network.
That makes sense, because shreds allow the network to achieve really high throughput and fast block propagation by distributing the data in smaller packets.
Exactly. And since shreds reveal details like timing, propagation speed, and assembly order, they provide deep insight into validator performance and network health.
I heard that builders can use shred data to create advanced monitoring tools that show how quickly each validator receives and assembles blocks in real time.
Right, and institutions rely on this shred-level data for risk analysis and forensic investigations, especially during volatile market conditions.
Analysts also benefit because tracking shreds helps measure skip rates, propagation delays, and validator behavior that aren't visible through higher-level APIs.
That's true, and by studying shred patterns, they can detect network congestion or misconfigurations that impact block production reliability.
So, shreds basically provide the most granular view of how blocks are produced and moved through the X1 network, offering unmatched transparency.
Absolutely, for builders, institutions, and analysts alike, shreds unlock powerful capabilities that higher-level blockchain data just can't match.